Meaning of engineering science.
Engineering science.
Engineering science.
Engineering science.
Engineering science. Engineering science is the study of how engineering concepts and principles can be applied to various scientific disciplines. It focuses on understanding the fundamental principles that govern the design, manufacturing, and maintenance of complex systems. Through research and analysis, engineering science seeks to develop new technologies and techniques that can improve society and solve real-world problems. The result is a deep understanding of the physical world, innovative solutions to complex problems, and the ability to design and build advanced systems that meet specific needs.